What's up, you little sloppy bottoms? It's Joanne the Scammer. I'm here with Desus and Mero. I'm a messy bitch. So listen, anything that these motherfuckers say on this show, it's very messy. So, like, don't understand. Fuck!
How Joanne the Scammer turn to Jasenia?
Jasenia man quick! Turn to Jasenia man fast! Joanne the Jasenia! Yo! But you know what?
Did you have something else?
Damn, I got too high. Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kid Mero, man. I'm so fucking smacked. It's 10 a.m. I can't even do an intro. The only thing I've ingested is marijuana smoke, so this is what you niggas is getting. Bodega Boys, motherfucker. We here. About to make $1 million. You niggas are stupid. If I see you at Bay Plaza Mall outside, don't take pictures with my kids. Oh, catch me. Yo, son. Oh, my God. Yo, the Snapchat is so lit. Yo, we out here, you know what I'm saying?
Was that the intro?
Yo, that's the fucking intro, nigga. That's it.
Do the drop.
Do the fucking drop. Oh.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Bodega Boys.
Episode 16.
That's right, nigga.
Bodega Boys in the building. It's your boy Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, no E. coli, a.k.a. Mr. 1994, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like Terrio, a.k.a. Chris Snaps, Porcelain Dick.
That's right. It's your boy Kid Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, nigga, a.k.a. Curve Daddy, a.k.a. I was the nigga of the New York donut going like this.
What is?
For all you chat line niggas. Remember the chat line we used to call the chat line?
Oh my God. That's
you was
like a 40-year-old reference, though. It's the art that you guys have been bothering and scamming and pestering us for.
Here's your free shit.
Here's your art. Hey, where's the art? Where's the art, guys? Hey, where's the art?
Yo, Artcast.
Who?
That's what it is.
Artcast?
It's not a podcast. I guess it's Artcast.
All right. It's 10 a.m. It's 10 a.m. We're not, listen, it's going to be a slow, listen, we're growers, not showers.
Yo.
And we got to warm up. It's cold outside, it's a little shrinkage, but we're going to give you all the flaccid meat. And, cool. Shout out to all the sponsors. Shout out, of course, True. Red Bull. We're live at Red Bull Studios, 220 West 18th Street.
Right.
Shout out to other sponsor, Mero's Wife's Choach and Narcan.
Oh, what the fuck is that? Oh, that's the nasal heroin spray?
Yeah. Damn, dog.
Man.
You're not looking right now.
No, like, I'm good. I just got my chilled water.
You got your chilled water?
You know what I'm saying? I'm good.
All right. So, you ready to talk about some podcast tingies?
Yo, listen.
Yo, shout out to, first off the top, big announcement. We're working together in conjunction with another podcast, Taxstone. We will be bringing the first New York City Scammers Ball to New York City. It's going to be held in Brooklyn, of course.
Yep.
Probably right there in
Nostrand and Nostrand.
Right there, across the street from Barclays Center.
On Nostrand and Flatbush.
We're going to have hoverboard valets.
Oh my God, it's going to be
so lit. What I'm saying? We're going to have who can wear the most Ferragamo belts at once.
You know what I'm saying?
Get a prize for that.
You
know what I'm saying? Bring your lamination machine. Bring your sheets of CCVs.
All your RIP t-shirts. You know what I'm saying?
If you zoing, with some silver cards, bring it.
Bring it. Come through. You know what I'm saying?
Right now in the hip-hop community, scamming is at an all-time high. All-time high. There's the Karen Civil Cameron thing. Listen.
Yo, I don't understand I don't know how true that is, or like if the facts is off there, but facts don't matter, doesn't matter.
She got his man and Duke the guy, I believe.
But she never got a black eye, so I don't understand.
Listen,
how you run up for the plug twice and don't get repercussionized?
Listen, maybe shit's different because I know in the Bronx, like you get killed for like $60.
You get chopped in the grill for that.
It's like $60.
Yo, this thing goes with $20 for 2 months. I'm chopping them next time I see him.
$50K.
You know what I'm saying? $50.
$50K.
You know what you do for $50,000? I could buy 2 Hondas.
I could buy DR.
Come on.
Oh man.
You know what I'm saying?
It's $50K. I don't know if it's true or not. Shout out to Karen Civil.
She's out here.
If it's true, she's out here. She's doing the thing.
Right.
We respect the scammer.
All right.
A lot of love for scammers on here, you know what I'm saying?
You gotta be careful out there when your hoverboard explodes. You need the fire extinguisher on deck.
Be safe, though.
Put it out.
They just banned hoverboards from the New York City subway.
At all costs.
You can't even, they have actual signs.
You can't bring this shit anywhere, anything near MTA property.
So what do you do with them now? How are people gonna get rid? Are you have to throw out a hoverboard?
Park and ride, my nigga.
Oh,
you gotta park and ride. You gotta hit the park and ride with your hoverboard.
That's not safe.
Up for the train.
So you got. I mean, if you
now, you know what? This is what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna invent a new industry. We're gonna become millionaires making a fucking lock that you can lock your hoverboard to like a parking meter and then come back and get your shit.
If you have a hoverboard, where you going? You're not going anywhere important.
You hover to the train.
Listen, nobody.
And then you go
nobody
scam.
who was helping increase life.
They're not. You're a scammer. You're a scammer.
You
but think
never
about
see
a scammer. You got to be on the train.
You don't see any heart surgeons going down Fifth Ave on a hoverboard.
They're called scammer boards for a reason.
They're called
only scammers use them. But if you're a scammer, you need to be mobile on the train. You need to be able to evade police that see you buying too many Ferragamo belts.
If you scamming, you in a car. You're not on the train.
Yo, dog. But it's dangerous. My nigga, you know what I'm saying? To be on the train. Listen, you got to start off, as my nigga Tax said, as a low-level scammer.
True.
You know what I'm saying? Low-level scammers on a fun pass.
That's it. Listen,
low-level scammers on a fun pass at Barney's.
That's true.
Looking at all the fucking
Bending the
future
Metro
sneakers.
card, doing a couple of swipes and
You
stuff.
already know.
You know, we trying to
wait for the emergency exit to open and just sliding in. You know what I'm saying? With the Pradas, a little scuffed, but hey.
And then you got the high level ones, just walk out with $200,000 worth of MAC lipstick from Sephora and one swipe.
Go in there and somehow low key buy 50 gift cards. You know what I'm saying? I don't understand. Using a little funny machine. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, you a little futuristic, I guess.
Maybe put a skimmer on an ATM.
What? Oh man.
Maybe doing that. Maybe that's the level you on.
Yo, the game has changed. I used to boost. Boosting used to be cool, and now scamming is it. Scamming has replaced boosting. Because
you know what?
Cool thing.
Anyone could boost. Scamming.
I mean, yo, listen. It takes skill to throw a lot of shit down the leg at once.
It takes skill to talk to somebody in Czechoslovakia and get him to send you 500,000 social security numbers with matching MasterCards. All right.
I feel like that's really popping in Czechoslovakia. I don't feel like it's that hard.
There's no
law. I don't
law.
feel like it's that. You can buy a baby kidney in
There's
Czechoslovakia.
No laws in Eastern Europe. You could get an AK, a radish, and like a child bride.
The real Silk Road is over there.
€1. You do whatever. That's why Jason Bourne movies and shit take place over
exactly.
There. You see Taken?
The asset is live.
Taken's like a regular Thursday over
I watch
there.
Taken every time I fly to LA. Shout out to Liam Neeson. He's the star.
Fuck Liam Neeson.
He's the star.
Because remember he was on that
about
he's the horse guy.
Oh fuck him.
He wants the horses, the horse slavery in New York City to continue.
No.
And then he wanted to get his racist teeth on the cover of the Daily News talking about the horses are happy. You don't know that.
No.
You ever asked the horse?
He's wild. Is he Jamaican? There used to be white people in Jamaica, you said, right?
There's still white people in Jamaica. Right? They haven't all been
Is that his thing? Is he a white Jamaican?
No, he's Irish.
He's Irish.
But you know what? Irish and Jamaican are like, is he Irish? He's Irish, right?
Shit. It's just like drunk dudes.
No, Irish and Jamaican are very close. Yeah. Very close because a lot of Irish people, with the
drink rubbing alcohol.
Whatever. I have family in Ireland and Jamaica, so
shout out to them.
That's why I'm able to drink a beer at 10 a.m. right now, and no repercussions. Even though my stomach hurts, I think I got Zika.
Your head is shrinking.
My head is shrinking. This isn't good. My Zika acted up.
Yo, look at this nigga's head. This nigga's head is shrinking.
Yo, they give me Zika. Can you get Zika? Yo, Zika's a real thing out here.
It is.
You know the problem is there's always something. It's SARS. It's bird flu. It's
And you know what else though? I'm never scared of the diseases that have like a one cool name.
Right.
That sounds like it could be like a dance. Like Zika, dengue. That shit does not scare me because I'm not. You know what I'm saying? That shit only gets me shook when I go to DR. I haven't been to DR in like a year, 2 years. So I'm alright. You know what I'm saying? I feel like these things cycle. By the time I go back to DR, it'll be like something else cool, like merengue. You know what I'm saying? Or something like that. But I'm immune. You know what I'm saying? So it's all good.
What's the scariest disease out right now?
I mean, it depends on who you are. If you're a woman that's trying to have a baby, probably Zika, because then you have a baby with a tiny head. Yeah. That shit sucks.
I mean, that's you could probably go without saying that. I mean, like most people know.
That shit sucks. I seen an ad on a bus that said, "Amazing is life without seizures." It was like some seizure medication. Yeah, and I was like, "That's not." Yeah, I'm going back to this because it's so ill in my head. That's not amazing, dog. That's like super. That's okay. Like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Like,
you don't know until you get seizures, and you're like, "Yo, this is a good day."
Yeah, that's true. I never had a seizure. Man. I seen a bitch have a dope fiend seizure when I used to work at a school. Straight dope fiend going to have the wild seizure in the main office.
Yeah. Did you help her?
No, nigga. She fell on me and I like stiff armed her down like pow, like yo, chill. I broke her fall. Because if I wouldn't have broke her fall, she would have cracked her melon on the floor. You know, school floor is mad hard.
Yeah.
School's like jail. So like, you know what I'm saying? She would have cracked her wig open and it would have been quiet for her.
Right.
So I saved her life low key, but I didn't. It was like unintentional. You know what I mean?
Go.
It was like some Curb Your Enthusiasm.
See,
I'm just
there
like,
you go. You wanna help people out.
Skirt. Like, yo, get up. Get out.
One of my lady friends was riding the train the other day, and she's from New York, but she's not really New York.
New York.
So
she gets a New Yorker?
Yeah. So she gets on the train, and there's like a guy passed out at the end of the car.
Regular
shit, right?
Yeah.
Regular shit. Yeah. She went and got the conductor. I'm like, what are you doing? I'm like, yo, did you delay the train for this scumbag? And she's like, no, that's the problem with New Yorkers. We don't care about each other. So it's not that. It's just when he gets to the end of the train line, one of the cleaners would have woke him up. Yeah. Like, that's not my problem, Ma.
Fuck out of here.
What are you doing?
There's a dude getting paid $49 a half hour to clean the train at the end of the fucking thing.
Yo, sir, you can't lie on the floor. She said that he wasn't moving or something. I don't know. Listen, mind your business.
If it doesn't smell like, and not smell like homeless smell, like death smell.
Because you know what? When you go and you start, and that's how you get your face lashed.
Yeah.
Because now somebody's like, yo, why is this chick delaying the train?
Yep.
I'm going to be late.
Yep.
And what is the typical New Yorker reaction?
Yo, cut your face. Cut your face.
All right.
Or she would go try to wake the dude up. And then
he flips over
him and
on
his
some sauce shit.
Exactly.
Like, you want to play a game? What?
Him and his 3 imaginary friends.
It's all fun and games until you're walking down the street and you hear a fucking Wu-Tang Clan sound effect. Yep. And next thing you know, you got Heinz ketchup coming down the left side of your face. You don't want that.
How about this?
How about what?
Would you rather have a dude on the train, like a homeless dude on the train, jerk off on you or try to cut you? Like jerk off at you? Like, yo, I'm gonna jerk off on you, nigga. Or like, pow, try to give you $1.50.
What?
What's worse?
Neither. This is why I take Ubers. I don't want to be in situations like this.
That's why. See?
Who's jerking? What?
Yo, come on, man. Yo, shout out to we talked about this before. I don't know if we talked about it on the show, but a lot of girls that we know, dudes are jerking off on them on the train. Like it's like some regular New York City, dude jerked off on my butt.
Yeah, I mean, that's true. That wasn't on the Run the Show, but okay.
Hey, you know what I'm saying?
We'll talk about that.
Hey, I'll pull up from 40 feet sometimes.
Listen. What do we say now? That happens? I don't know. Gotta hear both sides.
It's just terrible. Gotta hear both sides.
Listen, sometimes you throw me a hot potato and I don't know what to do. Like I was on the way to the show today, I was like, I hope Mero doesn't bring up Kesha. Hope he doesn't bring up the 5 kids that got off on the rape in Brooklyn.
Oh,
or
shit.
Anything like that. These are not topics that people want to hear.
Yeah, no, that's not. It's a bummer.
These are problematic.
It's a bummer.
These are bummers.
It's a problematic.
You cannot talk about these and have a joke.
Do you know what I think inside, like in my brain? I'm like, yo, I would not talk about anything on here that I wouldn't talk about on a date. You know what I'm saying?
When was the last time you've been on a date?
I go on dates with my wife all the time.
That's not a date.
It is a date. You
can't go on a date with your wife.
It's a day where you go out and you do something like alone.
If you throw a ring on it, it's not a date anymore.
What do you call it?
That's just a conference. That's a conference meeting.
All right? A meeting conference meeting.
That's your monthly checkup.
Says Desus, who's been married approximately 0 times.
Exactly. There's a difference between a date and a date is like,
what's a date? Like you gotta impress the person?
This could go anywhere. Like you might put on a new outfit. You don't know if you're gonna smash or whatever.
That's why you still gotta go on dates when you're married, because then you gotta go and do something where this could go anywhere. We went to go see Captain America.
No, you can't go
IMAX, and now we're fucking in the car in the parking lot. You know what I'm saying?
What?
Or you could be like, we went to go do that, but we got mad smacked and went to Cold Stone instead. You could do a million different things. You know what I'm saying? You could go get susushi. You could be like, fuck this movie. We're gonna go get sushi.
What are you rambling on about right now?
Just like
there's a difference between you saying they could do anything, but basically what's gonna happen is you are going to go back home to your bed with your wife.
Yeah.
When I say you could do anything, I mean I could end up doing K2 and me and this girl have sex on the fucking roof of an abandoned factory in Williamsburg. Like that's the kind of shit.
That's what I'm saying, but that's what I'm saying. Like if you go on dates and you do those things and then you end up back in your crib in your bed, and like we fucked on that roof on K2. That shit was wild. Don't say that shit in front of the kids. You know what I'm saying? Because then they're gonna be like, "Mommy, what's K2?"
All right, that's enough for me, guy.
You know what I'm saying?
You're not even working with me today, man. You're not even working with me. You sound like Kanye now.
Listen.
You sound like Kanye.
I have. You I have tempered my shit. You know what I'm saying? But now Kanye got me motivated to be like, you know what? Fuck this. Niggas is out here.
Nah, you about the marriage and shit and kids and all that.
Shit is kind of lit.
I saw you had a very heartfelt tweet. You was like, yo, Kanye, take some time to watch it.
You know why? Because he's mad rich and he can do that.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? I did it because I had to, because I was making no money and my wife was making all the money. So I was like, I'm gonna stay home. It makes no sense for me to pay some Puerto Rican lady to raise my kid and pay her every penny that I make when I could just stay home myself. You know what I'm saying? And do it. You know what I'm saying? And we could sit there and watch like First Take. You know what I'm saying? Wake up at 10 o'clock. You know what I'm saying? Chill. So, but Kanye is rich, so he can do that. He can take a euro.
He has debt.
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't know?
Kanye's like a human coke dream, my nigga. Like he just says all crazy shit and like some of it is true. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Some of it is mad true. And then a lot of it is like, what the fuck are you saying?
Is Kanye really crazy? Or is he just saying
he's not
things
crazy,
that we all saying
that's what I'm saying.
On a different
that's what
platform?
I'm saying. Like a lot of niggas won't say the shit that he's saying. Mm-hmm. A lot of niggas think the shit that he's saying. I think that shit all the time. I'm like, yo, I'm like,
he said yesterday, I'm gonna start selling winter coats in the winter. Like
That's wild. See, that's like the little shit that's left over when you sniff all the good when you cut up the coke and you sniff the wild lines.
Yeah,
that little crummy shit that's left at the end.
That's what you get for that.
Yeah, that's the little rocky shit that's like, yo, that might be a little bit of Ajax.
Did you listen to Kanye's album?
No, but you know what I'm saying. I fuck with it.
You still got an opinion on it.
Yeah, I fuck with it.
Fucking facts don't matter.
You know what I'm saying? No, but you know what it is? I heard all the songs. I never heard it in sequence. Like I never heard the album and how it's sequenced, and that matters. You know what I'm saying? In albums. You know what I'm saying? A little music journalist shit. Sequencing. Anyway, but I heard songs individually. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of them were fire. You know what I'm saying?
Sounds good.
So shout out to Kanye.
Shout out to Kanye. It's a good album. Yeah. It's a great album.
That's why niggas can't really front on him because the music is usually Yeezus. I didn't fuck with at all. You did.
I love that album,
and a lot of people did, but I didn't fuck with it at all. You know what I'm saying? Like I was just like, this.
You never even tried to revisit it?
I did. Yeah. It was like a month ago, and I was like, yo, you know what? I'm gonna just listen to this shit front to back because maybe like I wasn't ready for it. You know what I'm saying? Before, like maybe I wasn't woke enough. Right. You know what I'm saying? But then I did, and I was like, oh, this is like Auditor bullshit again. You know what I'm saying? Like it was like techno-y and shout out to Charlie Wilson though. Charlie Wilson can make anything sound hot.
It's America. You're allowed to have your own opinion.
Yeah, of course.
Fuck you.
Nah, this album sucks.
It's a good album.
This album sucks.
It's a good album.
I feel like you like it because it's called Yeezus and it rhymes with Desus, and you have the Desus shirt. You like that's why it's branding. It's a branding thing for you.
Yeah, okay, all right. You got me. I'm not low
because you're an egomaniac, but I fuck with it. I fuck with it. I want you to admit it.
Is there anything wrong with being an egomaniac?
You gotta admit it.
Somebody on Twitter said I'm like Kanye. So
what?
The fuck? What's wrong? You're not allowed to have like self-esteem and believe in you and know the abilities of what you bring to the table.
Dog, listen, we live in New York City.
This is me on a date. Yeah. All right? All right? You're lucky you're at this table with me, all right? You leave this table, you go out there, you buy a lotto ticket because you never have another lucky day like this in your life, ma.
Yo.
And that's a Desus date.
Yo, that's wild.
Yo, shout out to my boo. Holding my family down out in Ohio. My secret marriage.
No doubt.
Love y'all.
Shout out to you.
Shout out to him. Desus baby still on the way.
Hey.
Gonna drop. Chick's gonna be lined up around the block like a Supreme drop.
Push gift. For the push gift. Limited edition push gift.
Push gift. Oh shit.
Supreme crowbar.
It's gonna be lit.
Yo, did Supreme make box cutters?
They did. Oh, that happened since Supreme had the drop and someone slashed someone's face at the Supreme line. Gotta hear both sides. They said the guy cut the line. Okay. And so since he cut the line, somebody cut his face. Hey! I mean, listen, shout out to you, hypebeast. Y'all getting out there. It's just a matter of time before one of them pulls out a gun and like just airs out mad people.
This is hilarious because not to date myself, but when I was high school, niggas getting their face cut all the time.
Yeah.
Like if you went to high school, you don't know at least 5 niggas in New York City. You don't know at least 5 dudes that got their grill slashed.
It's different now because
did you really go to high school?
Kids are printing box cutters using the 3D plastic 3D printers.
What?
Nah, I just made that up.
Yo, that's lit. I was like,
I know you're mad high right now. And like the look on your face is so scary.
Yeah.
But I mean, in theory, you could make a plastic box cutter.
Yeah, absolutely.
Come on. 9/11 again.
Yeah, I was locked up and this dude made of like a little blade out of a piece of like the table, like the linoleum shit from the table. He cracked a little piece of that and he was sharpening this shit the entire time through bookings. Niggas are going through like getting transfer cell to cell.
And he's still sharpening.
And this nigga keeps following. Every time I see this nigga, he's sharpening this shit. He's like, yo, I'm about to see the judge. He's like, I'm about to go up. He's like, but I'm not going without this. I was like, oh shit. I was like, you fucking Puerto Rican maniac.
You gotta protect your neck.
Niggas is wildin'.
Yeah, man. Listen, old school prison dudes, they know how to make a razor blade using the butt of a cigarette because that's fiberglass. And if you press it down using your bunk, you press it hard enough, you can make it. Listen,
shout out to all the jail niggas.
We got time.
Are we gonna regress at the jail nigga?
We are
again.
We are. I feel like people listen to this and it gets really. They go because we take you to a place you don't ever want to go.
Oh, no.
So everyone that listens to this, they know
want to go to the boat.
You know how to pick a judge. You know how to pick a lawyer. You know how to survive in jail. We might do so. We're gonna do jail recipes next.
Jail recipes.
So you got to make some Jack Mac. All right, so you got to make that prison casserole with just supplies from commissary.
Yo, shout out to Scrapple, what I just learned about.
You just learned about Scrapple? Scrapple's the fucking disgusting.
Is that white people shit?
That's white people shit. That's like Eastern Pennsylvania shit.
Oh man,
that's like that scary after you're kind of close to Camden.
No,
you're trying to avoid it, but then you end up in Klan country.
No,
shout out to PA. Shout out to PA. Shout out to Allentown, man. Dangerous. Shout out to Allentown. Y'all got good heroin and you have a Macy's. Shout out to y'all.
Shout out what else was PA? Shout out to Reading.
Reading, Pennsylvania. They out there.
You know what I mean?
They used to have the factory outlets. Now they got a lot of mulatto kids.
They have factory outlets out there?
Yeah, Reading, Pennsylvania had a factory
How far
outlet.
is that shit?
It's a bus ride. It's a hood bus ride. Listen, don't do
Why
that.
niggas taking the bus to the outlets? I be yo, dog.
Because
I
like
be
it's
at the
okay,
mall-
like Woodbury and stuff like that. Like
Yeah.
that's you used to be able to get savings.
Fam, explain to me why there is a million Japanese people at Woodbury Commons at all times. Why?
Okay.
Why?
First of all,
in the spiky Louboutin
That's
loafers.
racist. You don't know if they're Asian or
Nah, they're
Korean
Japanese. I know
or
Japanese. I speak
Chinese.
Japanese. That's why I know.
Oh.
I speak Japanese. I understand it. That's why I know that they're Japanese.
You play Jet Set Radio, and that's why you think you understand Japanese. That you don't know Japanese.
Yo,
No, but this
shout out
is
to
this is
Jet
a
Set
real
Radio,
thing.
though.
A lot of people up in Woodbury, a lot of those people you see in Woodbury Commons. This is gonna sound mad racist. Let me frame this the right way
okay.
before they start protesting me the same way they were protesting that cop that shot the. I was in DC and I walked past a protest. There were Asian people were protesting the cop. The Asian cop that got locked up for shooting the black guy.
No.
They was like he's being scapegoated. And
No.
I walked by, she got a little nervous.
Yeah.
But whatever.
Yo, your man, when they read the guilty verdict, though, your man's reaction, top
Yeah.
10.
Top 10.
Top 10.
Listen.
Shook. Like,
was like, oh.
it's quiet for me.
Oh.
They're about to put me with mad Spanish niggas. I don't speak no Spanish. Niggas gonna be calling me papi.
But no, they were saying a lot of the people, because I know the lady that runs the Chinese takeaway in my local neighborhood, because I'm Hyacinth's Bouquet.
Okay.
They go to Woodbury Commons to buy stuff. They use all the money that they earn there because they don't
To
buy.
Kyle Burberry and shit?
They don't wear cheap shit. They wear good
I know.
shit. So.
Yo, low key, go to, if people at Chinese restaurant, niggas be having Burberry on.
They be got the Burberry on the low.
Yo,
They be
I'm
flipping
like, yo,
that
let me find
MSG
out.
in Burberry, dog.
This nigga got the
This is
Burberry
real.
mule
I
slides,
respect that.
man? Let me find out.
Yo, shout out to everyone eating scumbag foods out here. Me and Mero just recently discovered the Taco Bell at Penn Station.
Yo.
Woo! There's not more. You gotta be a wild scumbag
Scum.
to go to Penn Station
Scum.
specifically to get Taco Bell for the
couldn't-
Taco Bell / KFC / Pizza Hut / Tandoori / Sephora / everything.
Slash Planned Parenthood.
They're making it all on the same grill.
Everything on the same
Everything.
grill, nigga.
Got
All
the
that.
HPV vaccine
All
on
that,
with
nigga.
the fried fucking the Captain Crunch balls.
That's a real thing, man.
That's a real
That is a
thing.
real thing.
Yo,
Man.
shout out to Penn Station for just basically being a Call of Duty training board
Straight
for how
up.
not to get your face slashed.
Yo.
Like, you have to take the train down the Eastern Corridor to D.C., and it's just like you paid mad money for your
Yep.
ticket, and now some black guy with no shirt and no shoes on, he's shivering, and he's shifting past you as you're getting on the 193 down to D.C., and the fucking National Guard's not helping you. They got the MP5, and this guy's over here yelling at you about you stole his dick, and now, how am I supposed to feel safe like this? Is this how Joe Biden was traveling? I don't
Yo,
like
no
this.
way.
This is not safe.
No way.
I paid extra money for my Accelera ticket.
Yo, Joe Biden.
I want to ride the train with Jonathan Capon from MSNBC. I shouldn't have to deal with this.
I want to be out here with John Stophanopoulos.
This ain't right.
Is that the nigga's name? John Stophanopoulos?
That's the guy that Meet the Press?
Yeah.
No, I think you're fucking up the name of the guy from Full House.
For John Stamos.
George
Stephanopoulos.
yeah.
Shout out to you, my guy.
Oh,
The scammer.
I'm just a messy bitch who lives for drama. Yo, shout out to Apple. Apple still fighting the FBI.
True.
With the encryption.
Shout out to Tim Cook.
Yeah, listen.
Didn't Kanye say like fuck Apple recently though or some shit like that?
Nah. He's a big Apple stan.
Right? He got
Apple
the autographed.
Listen, he does. He has a original.
Shout out to Seth Rogen for playing the dude in the Steve Jobs movie. That's so hilarious. To me.
How many
I don't know
Steve
why.
Jobs movies have there been?
Yo, like 12. Niggas better make that many movies about me, nigga. The fuck?
They're gonna do that, but they're gonna be like, oh, straight to DVD.
All straight, old Bokeem Woodbine.
Just
fucking-
with Mad Mac
No.
Foundation.
You're gonna be Bokeem Woodbine, and I'm gonna be fucking Alfonso Ribeiro or some shit. Crazy.
Oh,
Because the
man.
niggas gonna outlive us. Fucking crazy.
But before we die, we have to definitely make the Bodega Boys join ISIS or fight ISIS or
Yes.
something.
Yes. Yo, all you
that
fucking
blockbusters.
wingding screenwriting niggas, write that shit and send it in. Send it to fucking Bodega Boys. Like, I don't give a fuck. Send the DM.
Said it to 220 West 18th Street.
Yeah.
I don't know. Someone here will figure it out. It's
Care
like,
of.
yo, they're gonna be like, you guys got mail? You guys getting mail here now?
Yo, send them screenplays in, B.
Yeah.
Let's get this option. I'm talking money now, baby. I'm talking movies
talking
and shit.
money?
Let's do
The
it.
brand is strong right
The
now.
brand is fucking strong.
The
I
brand
told you
is
niggas.
strong.
That's what I was
It's
about to
sturdy.
say. When you were saying the Penn Station is a Call of Duty board, yo, who does Call of Duty?
There's
Activision?
a couple of people who do
Yo,
it.
Activision, holla.
We could be
Penn Station Call of Duty board with your boys.
No, let's do a reboot of Gears of War with me and you.
What?
How dope
Lit.
would that be?
Holla.
Because that couldn't be us in real life because we move slow.
Yep.
So that's real.
And when I run fast, like the camera shakes and I get
Gets
dizzy.
windy.
You know what I'm saying? I
Listen,
get winded.
You don't want to deal with the Bodega Boys on
What?
when we're on Horde on
What?
Gears of War.
What?
When we get to like level 5.
level 5.
Oh man.
Oh shit! Shut the video games.
Oh yo. Not this has nothing to do with anything, but Burger King has hot dogs now. How do you feel about that?
That's awful. Because hot dogs are sus to begin with.
Yeah.
Because what's in a hot dog, my nigga?
Raccoons and
What is in a hot
pigeons
dog?
and coyote balls.
Like everything that's in a hot dog is like a shit that like a southern nigga would eat
Pigs
for
now.
Thanksgiving.
It's
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Like possum feet. Like nigga, I don't want to eat that. I want lean cuts. You know what I'm saying?
What about Hebrew National? You know what's funny? Hebrew National was like, yo, if
We
God,
answer to a higher
if God
authority.
was Jewish and he ate hot dogs, he's a hot dog. Listen, God ain't eating
Are they
hot
kosher?
dogs.
They're kosher. That's the whole thing, right?
But for
But
what?
they're beef?
For kosher, that just means Saul just went over the box and was like, oh, bless
Yo,
it.
bless these things. Shmashugana. Like, I don't even know what that means. Shout out
No.
to my Jews.
Shout out
Yo,
to the Jews. You know we're Jew heavy.
You know what I'm saying?
We're-
Gang.
Are we Zionists?
Passover is coming up soon, y'all.
Is it?
You know what
I
I'm
feel
saying?
like it was just Passover. Isn't Passover like
I don't
every...
even know. Yo, it's crazy.
You know,
have to
I
look
get
at the
so much
that shit-
information from you.
Yes.
I
Yo,
should know.
You should. Yeah, listen. Wikipedia. Also, I gotta look at the calendar, like the paper calendar,
Right.
because this shit changes every year. It's not like it's the shout out to Christmas for being on December 25th every year, no matter what. Hanukkah is not. Shit is all over the place. All the other Jewish holidays all over the place. So you got to be on point on top of your shit. And it's funny because I'll be like, yo. I ask, you know what I'm saying? My wife, I'll be like, yo, when's Passover? And she'll act like I'm stupid. She's like, it's the 22nd. Are you kidding? I was like, nigga, no, this shit changes every year, dog.
gonna make a
It's the year 60,000 to y'all niggas. You know what I'm saying? Like, what
Yo,
the
if you
fuck?
put the actual Jewish date in your iPhone, your shit locks up.
You know what I'm saying?
Nah, shout out to Mero. I'm gonna make a Broadway play called Jew Problems because
Yeah.
apparently that's what you have. Like,
Nah, I love
calendar
that
dates
shit
and
though.
stuff.
It's mad chill though because I do both holidays, so it's super lit. So now I'm like getting Hanukkah gifts and shit. You know what I'm saying?
I
So
don't
it's
feel like
poppin'.
you. I don't feel like if you were unhappy, you could. This was a safe space. You couldn't be like, yo. What if you came here? He was like, I hate this fucking Jew holiday shit.
I mean,
Yeah,
Nah,
because you want to be in Hollywood.
no, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah, you
you know
can't
what I'm
fuck
saying?
it up.
Also that and like, but this shit is lit. You know what I'm saying? Like
Is
it's
it
never.
lit?
Yeah, I mean, some of the shit is boring, but you gotta understand. I get smacked before these things.
Right.
So I don't care that at fucking Passover they read the book backwards for like 45 minutes. I don't care because I'm smacked. You know what I'm saying? And like niggas like to get to the chase in my wife's family. Like, they
Did
like to
you
cut to
see
the- they
that
like to
Drake
jump the-
performed on the Upper East Side at a child's bar mitzvah?
That's lit. I'm gonna have him do that. He got to do that.
Is
Shout
he
out,
gonna
yo,
do that?
Drake at Drake. Right now, yo, holla, my nigga.
You gonna
like,
pay Drake to perform at your?
10 years. My oldest son is 4 years old right now, so
Right.
10. You got some time.
I should
You
get
know
like
what I'm saying?
Sia or Kanye or somebody.
See, Kanye, yo, Kanye would be lit.
Kanye,
Okay,
you know what Kanye performance is? He's gonna come out with like a mask and start screaming at your
So
kid. He'll be like, yo, I'm $53 million in debt.
Yo, yeah, I'm good with the fucking Confederate
Yo,
flag
so
and
I
upside down
called
cross.
Taylor Swift, and she agreed
Yo,
about the joke that she turned it around on
listen
me.
to the foreskins, bro. Like what?
You know
No,
about that?
why are you
It's-
saying that, Kanye?
I'm standing there with my robot wife. I'm like, what is this? What is this? What is he doing at Mero's?
Nigga, animatronic real doll. That would be so lit. If that's that'd be lit.
But
If you got an animatronic real doll, you wifed it.
Yeah, that's
and
what I'm
you
gonna
could
do.
like put have it
I'm
be like
not-
a surrogate,
nah,
hold the baby and all that shit.
women
That's
are
wild.
Women are too problematic, so I'm building a robot.
That's lit.
I'm not dealing with that. I'm
Is
not
it-
dealing with feelings no more.
What, like the Sky vodka robot?
Yeah, like that kind of thing. Right?
Shout out to that wild.
Wait till they get me off of Twitter.
unsolicited plug.
They'd be like, look at Desus, that sellout. Look at him and his robot bitches.
In your DMs, I seen you with that robot bitch.
I see
nigga.
you with that gray robot. Wow, why you can't be with that black robot?
Why her visual output is blue, nigga?
Hate yourself.
Uh-huh.
That robot can't use your mama's comb. That's gonna be me.
That robot don't even know what a bonnet is.
You're gonna be sick with me and that robot walk to the front row in Essence Fest to watch Charlie Wilson. That ain't even her. Those aren't even her real hydraulic tendons.
Hydraulic tendons. I would have fucking shout out to you because I would have been like, I would have drew a blank on that one.
Nah, listen. This is all I do now, man. This is all we have to do is be funny.
Hydraulic
All we have
tendons.
to do is be funny
That's
for
true.
the rest of our fucking lives
That's
and with
right.
good money. How does that feel? Yeah, I found a note I wrote to myself 5 years ago. Dog. Woo.
Yeah.
Shit was bad.
Yeah.
Shit was bad.
Yeah.
I want to build a time machine to go back and give myself a hug.
Yeah.
Cause listen.
That's the goal.
Oh man. I was
Catch me in
about to,
2005 when I'm fucking passed out somewhere.
that note looked like I was about to jump in front of the train, man.
I had a flashback, my nigga, one time. I was in East Elmhurst in my man Pun's crib, and it was niggas called him Pun because he was morbidly obese, and there was like 5 other morbidly obese like bouncer dudes in there, all smoking dust. We were all smoking dust watching Underworld.
Okay.
Was
That was the one where they had like the machine guns and they shot until shot around in a circle?
What was Shorty's name in that? Who started that?
It doesn't matter. She died.
Victor, but niggas are so popular. Victor's not even checking facts no more.
No,
he's like,
whatever.
nah, niggas, whatever, nigga, I don't care. Niggas said, say Marissa Tomei.
Wow.
Yeah, but whatever. I had a flashback, dog. I was in there smoking angel dust. Niggas fell asleep. I woke up the next day. I fell asleep on a mattress on the floor in a basement, using my North Face jacket as my sleeping bag, like with the shit tied with the hood. I was like, that was straight scum. The only reason I went over there was the guy. I was like, yo, that was straight scum life to the fullest.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? I'm like,
that when you're broke
chilling.
and you want to smoke and then you gotta like be the broke nigga, like, yo, and you hoping and wishing and praying like that blunt come around, like, yo, and you keep, chatty and you got your hand in the circle, like keep reaching out, like, yo, am I next? The person who didn't chip on the weed, the other person who knows and makes sure the rotation is going straight, nah, it's going this way. Nah, she next.
Yeah,
you ain't put no money on it, but you out there, you taking those deep puffs for life, like,
yeah. So 12 niggas in the cypher on a dime. You gotta hit that shit hard.
Listen, I respect it.
You know what I mean?
Listen, we all the guys working on all of us. Yo, shout out to all my people out there, sending out resumes, sending out cover letters.
Yeah.
You sent out your 500th cover letter.
Yeah.
You said it. You still looking for a job. You're not even spell checking your resume anymore.
Yo, use a fake name.
You going on an interview and they're like, why do you want to work here? And you're like, because I'm broke, nigga.
That's the best thing. Yo.
Or you stop caring?
Yo, why do you want to work here at the Bronx Zoo part-time in the gift shop? Like, nigga, why do you think so?
Why do you think?
Why do you think I'm fucking 30 years old? Why do you think I want to work here, nigga?
So what do you
Because my fucking kids are ashamed of me.
What appeals to you about working the night shift at Wendy's? I don't know. Con Edison wants money for my lights?
You know what I'm saying?
You don't think
I can get high and make a weird sandwich in the back?
There's a basement I could hide so people don't see me and say, oh, he fucked up his life? Like,
yo,
listen.
Shout out to me for being fat. Because you just reminded me of this. Speaking of Wendy's, first of all, shout out to Wendy's that got closed down on 34th Street.
It wasn't 34th. It was like more like 45th.
45th? Shout out to that Wendy's that got shut down.
Yes, because every time we went there, people would recognize us.
Every time from TV, nigga.
Yeah, they'd be like, yo,
oh shit, see y'all niggas on TV.
Oh shit, it's Gay Chocolate from Joking Off.
Yeah.
Just fucking our names. Like, whatever. It don't matter.
Yo, Mero, what's good? Yo, you funny. Yo, talking to you.
Talking to me, yeah. Yo, somebody tagged us.
Yo, what's that nigga Desus? What's that fat nigga Spanish nigga? Desus,
somebody tagged me in some clothing. They was like, yo, shout out to D. Yeah. Shout out to the kid. Desus Nice for rocking my stuff yesterday. I joke it off. Clearly talking about you. Like, can you not tell the difference? People say they listen to this and they cannot tell the difference between our voices.
Yeah, okay.
Like, what?
Yeah.
What? Like, how you not? Listen. Come on, man.
Come on. I have a fucking, but there's mad misery in my voice.
Yeah, and you can hear, I'm a skinny immigrant's kid. All right, I'm just looking around this room for stuff to send in the barrel down in Jamaica.
Yo, that's true. Every time shout out to Red Bull for not being mad. Every time we leave here, we wipe the fridge out.
Yeah, listen, that's what we do. That's what we do, man. Red Bull knew what it was. Red Bull knew what they were getting. Listen, you get scumbag
foods. What I'm saying? It's like when you shorty keep fucking Peter Guns. You know what's happening.
You know what's gonna happen. All right. You don't change a player in the 9th inning. Peter Guns ain't coming around like, you know what? It's just gonna be me and you, man.
Just me and you, man. That's it.
Every time you go on a date, that shit's gonna be on a Groupon, all right? Because it's gonna be multiple ones of y'all. Table for 4.
Speaking of Groupon and printing coupons, shout out to the Yankees for scarring niggas and not letting motherfuckers print their tickets at home.
You know what?
Fucked up.
Listen.
I'll never rep the Mets.
I'm gonna take the L here. Yo. This is my fault. This is my fault. I'll be in those luxury seats at Yankee Stadium acting the fool.
Why? Because you're a scammer.
I'm a scammer. I'm just a messy bitch who lives for drama. No, when I go to Yankee Stadium now, like, I don't sit in the regular seats. Come on. Don't talk to me like I'm the Desus from 5 years ago.
Nah.
But the thing is, Yankee Stadium is so fucking whack now. Yep. You can't stand up and cheer. Yep. They have a number you can text to low-key call security to beef about people. I stood up. They had the bases loaded. All right? And your man's at bat, and I stood up and I was cheering. So it was like, could you sit down? I can't see the game.
Fuck you.
That's not Yankee Stadium anymore.
Nah, man.
And now they're saying that that's the problem. Because if I pay $10,000 for my ticket and you get in for $100, you know what I'm saying? They're saying I might not know how to.
You're a different type of person, AKA. We don't want niggers in this luxury seats.
Basically, listen, Yankee Stadium.
If you see the nigga that wrote that statement, you know that's what he's taking a piss. He's like, I mean, honestly, who wants niggers in the luxury seats, right? Yeah. right, Hal?
I used to give like Black Boston Red Sox fans shit.
Yeah.
But it's like the Yankees are no better.
Yeah. Listen, I'll never rep the Mets, but y'all got to clean it up.
Yeah, I do.
Yankees got to fix it up.
I'm wondering if I'm going to be a Yankee fan for my whole life.
What are you gonna do? You gonna become a Dodgers fan when you move to LA?
Because you know what the thing is, if you live in the Bronx, you know the Yankee organization has done mad fucked up shit to the Bronx.
yeah,
we
absolutely.
basically built that stadium using taxpayer money to give the kids asthma. They got all these parking lots we can't use. Now they're gonna turn them to hot sheet motels. What the fuck? We don't need that down there.
I don't need a Hojo, fam.
We don't need that.
I don't need a Hojo.
Okay.
I need a fucking.
We need schools and skateboard ramps or something.
Yeah,
and hoverboard depositories.
Yo, anecdotal Mero story.
Up, here we go.
Shout out to this kid. Yo, this is disgusting, man. Have you ever seen something like this? I'm gonna tell you this, and then I want you to respond.
I watch a live league regularly, so
true. But IRL is wild.
All right.
This kid went to one of them skate parks and was riding a BMX bike. Was going up and down a ramp, doing all this stupid shit. At one point, this kid tries to do some type of spinny, wheelie, fuck, wada, da shit. Hand gets caught in between the wheel and the spokes. Rang! 3 fingers right off, my nigga.
Okay.
Right off. Ringy right at the fucking knuckle, right there. Pow! I was like, yo, nah. Disgusting.
All right, well.
You know what I'm saying? That's like real life league. I've never seen yo, that's gross.
All right, I mean,
I've seen gross shit. Yo, shout out to the dude that got hit by the 4 train, and his foot fell down at the fucking thing. Yo, I was coming out of school at Clinton. Shout out to deal with Clinton. I was coming out of school. Some dude jumped in front of a train, got hit by a train. True story. Somehow foot got severed and fell through the tracks, nigga, and fell onto the street, onto Jerome. Pow! Human foot, nigga. And like a Reebok pump.
Are you done?
Gross.
Are you done?
Fucking gross.
Are you done? Like,
foot was still in the shoe.
What was that? What was it? Like, you just went on a run. Like,
hell yeah.
My God.
Skirt.
Like, I have no idea how your brain operates.
Yo.
That was just like,
I'm at cruising altitude right now.
You are, but like that German wings flight that flew into the mountain. That's the cruising altitude you're on. Like, do you remember what we were talking about? That you turned the car left at Albuquerque on?
I left my wallet in El Segundo. Damn.
No, you don't.
I don't.
You don't.
Take me back.
Take you back?
Yeah.
To what? What were we talking about before
the kid cut his fingers off?
The kid cutting his fingers off?
Yeah, shout out to him.
Before
the kid knew like 4 words in English too.
Before the kid,
and one of them was like, "Ow, motherfucker!" Yo, shout out to you.
You redeemed that.
You
redeemed that. That was it.
Pulled up.
All right, fuck it. You were tweeting
it was like that mellow shot. Remember that mellow shot last night? He tripped and he was like, "Ah!" and threw that shit up.
He threw it up and he smiled at the end. Because you know what? He knew.
Come on.
So, it's whatever. There was a dog party. You were tweeting about this. I don't know.
Oh, man.
What is a dog party?
That is the fucking definition of caucasity. Yo, this lady had a birthday party for her dog. Like, I understand, like, yo, you buy your dog a treat, and you're a dog guy, you know what I'm saying? So I know, like, you know what I'm saying? You got shoes for your dog and all that type of wild shit that I'm like, yo, it's ridiculous.
Right.
I just let my dog limp around and get her foot burned by chemical salt.
Uh-huh.
Because she deserves it.
Wow.
She pooped in the house once. No, I'm just joking. I love my dog, B. You know what I'm saying?
No.
I realized this when we talk about your dog and like how you gonna be sad when the dog dies. I looked at my dog last night. I was like, damn, bitch. I was like, yo, because I realized she's a bitch. She's a
true.
Bitch. You know what I'm saying? Loophole. She's a bitch. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Brownie.
Brownie Lopez.
And she just follows me around the house, B. I'm like mad smacked, and I don't realize it. But I'm like in my head, I'm like, bitch, you just follow me because you know I'm just gonna eat mad garbage and like drop it on the floor. You know what I mean? You're gonna eat it. But then I'm like, yo, even when I'm not eating food, she's just like right there, just kind of hanging out. Like,
wow.
Yo.
You want me to blow your mind?
What?
Your wife and your dog are the same thing.
What do you mean?
They both follow you around, watch you eat garbage.
Oh shit! Yo, that's true. That's very true.
That's deep.
Shout out to my wife for hitting me up today and being like, yo, what do you want from the supermarket? Knowing damn well that I'm a visual person and I cannot just tell you what I want from the supermarket. So I gotta go there.
Sounds nice.
I gotta go there and look at it.
Oh, your life problems is just
My life problems. But yo, you know what? There's niggas out there that are like DK. I order my groceries on like it comes out. That like yo that like are some shit like I order my groceries online.
Yeah.
I'm not that Hollywood yet, my G. You know what I'm saying? I'm not Amazoning my food. I'm not on like whatever fresh $69.99 a month and blah blah blah. I'm not on that shit. I'm going to the supermarket with being humble. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not Hollywood. You feel me? Being humble with the regular people. You know what I'm saying? At the produce section, smack, hitting the vape. Shout out to Puffco. You know what I'm saying? Checking the broccoli, making sure it's right. Yo. If your supermarket does not have the automated like little refresher shit that sprays mist on your produce, your shit is not popping.
Do you know that's like the bare minimum for a supermarket? Okay. So the fact that you're
I'm a C-town nigga. I'm a C-town nigga.
You're C-town
Shout out to Fine Fish. Shout out to C-town.
I'm a B-town nigga.
B-town.
Right?
Shout out to Food Bazaar.
Food
And
Bazaar?
Western Beef. Shout out to all the mad hood supermarkets where the meat got flies on it. Poorly refrigerated.
Someone made us smoke it just for me, food party. Yo, shout out to ShopRite with the can dance.
Yo.
ShopRite got that can. Y'all know about that.
How old you got to be appreciate that? Not the
No, they recently redid it.
I don't mean like
you
we're
meant the
watching.
original one.
Like I mean like the actual sale. Oh, like you gotta be old as fuck to be excited about. Yo, canned food is lit. Like, are you a doomsday prepper, my nigga? Like, why are you so excited about albacore?
3 cans of string beans. It's lit.
It's fucking lit.
Oh, shout out to everyone out there making the decision between dog food and regular canned food because you know your money is not right.
Your money's not right. You got the Petco Pals card.
There's no way. I know how much dog food is. There's no way eating dog food is easier.
Fam.
Dude, dog food can't be cheaper than regular food.
I often eat shit that my dog's food looks better than. You know what I'm saying? Like, I open up my dog's food, I'm like, yo, this shit doesn't look that bad. It got like little peas in it and shit. I'm like, okay. You know what I mean? Like, meanwhile, I'm eating dollar pizza. You know what I'm saying? Where's that cheese from? Is it just Melted Lifestyles condoms? You know what I'm saying? Who knows?
That shit is just like...
One may never know.
That's OD ejaculate for homeless shelters. How about that visual?
No!
Can you taste that? Can you feel it, Mr. Krabs? Can you feel it, Mr. Krabs? Do you guys get that reference? No one? SpongeBob? Nobody? Whatever. Fuck y'all.
My kid left.
Damn, Daniel.
At it again with the fucking...
Yo, what? That was just a different version of what are those?
Yeah, it really was.
It was like a positive. What are those?
Shout out to that kid. I knew. You know what? They were on.
As soon as you saw that, they were on Ellen.
They were on Ellen
because
and
that's
I knew
how
that nigga had a little pinchy ass white face. I knew it. The little pinchy ass white face that looks like you just did the pinch. Yeah, or Photoshop little pinch.
You're not official off the internet until Ellen has you up.
True.
Ellen. Have the Bodega Boys been on Ellen yet?
No.
All right. Because we were riding with you back in 1974 when you had your sitcom and you came out. And you was like, "Yo, I'm queer."
Yep.
And we was like, "All right."
Coming out. You was on Sound Magazine. They got copped 2 copies.
I did.
You know what I'm saying?
It was you and Mr. Webster and Mr. T.
That's right.
Right? Was that? I don't know. I'm getting kind of the times.
Yeah, whatever.
You know,
TV Guide, whatever. It's lit.
Whatever.
Remember TV Guide, nigga?
No.
A fucking magazine?
No.
That told you what was on TV?
No. You know what you just said? My father, God bless that cheap ass Jamaican man. He was like, "Why should I pay to find out what's coming on TV?"
What?
And we were never allowed to have TV Guide in our house.
Wow.
Because he said it was a waste of money.
Wow.
Also, they had it in the back of your newspaper.
I didn't even have to. I didn't even.
Matter of fact, I think if you came in my house with a TV Guide, you would have gotten beaten. We got a lot of beatings. I don't know.
I just had randomly TV Guide show up in my crib.
Nah.
Because my uncle was like a porter in the building and he used to like steal niggas' mail, I guess.
I had an uncle that worked for the post office. So we used to always have like
shit like that. Yeah.
Like he would take like someone's source magazine for like 3 months.
Yeah.
And then deliver it. And you get it and like the crossword puzzle's done. Maybe the E40 poster's ripped out.
Coffee on the shit.
And you go to the postmaster general like, "Yo, what's going on here?" He's like, "Yo, dog.
Yo.
It's the mail. What do you want?
What you want, nigga?
What do you want?"
Well, you want this shit on a Sunday?
How much you paid? That stamp was 29 cents? Yeah. How much the stamp's now? 41 cents?
Yo.
I don't know.
But yo, you got to G off and cop the forever stamps.
Forever.
They
should just call it the Cardi B stamp.
No!
Put Cardi B on the stamp.
USPS, free idea, you fucking wings.
We have so many good ideas.
Invoice that.
We have so many good ideas. You know what we got to do? We got to start dressing like weirdos and have Bluetooth headsets.
That's it.
And we'll just be
Niggas
like...
take you serious. That's how you get taken serious. That's how you get taken seriously. Yeah. Shout out to that dude, that investor guy that always wears a cowboy shirt. Like, he made that his thing. Like, that's what all these niggas do. That's how they become famous. That Dan, the nigga with the beard, the poker asshole guy that was mad Brazilian. Yeah, Dan Brazilian wax, whatever. That nigga. Yo, your man's like, these niggas are just, yo, I'm gonna do a weird thing and it's my thing and like I'm rich, so it's cool. You know what I'm saying?
That could be our thing. That's gonna be our influential. We're gonna be brand
consultants. What's gonna be our weird thing?
Our weird thing? We're gonna...
Trench coats?
We're making a documentary for Netflix.
Leather trench coats?
And we are going to expose how Obama had Anthony Scalia killed.
Oh, lit.
Because people, you know... Yeah. I find it funny how...
I find it funny
that he was found in his bed, dead.
He was the picture of health.
You know, that's the number one way people die in Kenya.
Oh.
Bed death, they call it.
Bed death.
Raven Simone and I were talking about that.
I thought it was concussions.
Oh, God. You are never going to be allowed in Africa. Any parts. Top, bottom, left, right.
Yo,
nothing.
why? Listen, okay, I go to DR often. I'm sure you go to Jamaica. These are both, I mean, I don't know, are they quote unquote third world countries, which I'm not comfortable using that term, but are they third world countries?
No.
Or no?
No? Jamaica did have Third World Cop, which was a lit movie.
Okay.
But Jamaica could never be a third world country because
Why?
Jamaica is the shining star of the Caribbean.
Okay.
And we have invented everything.
All right.
You guys are welcome.
Okay.
Reggae, dancehall.
All right.
Bob Marley.
Niggas eat
We
lizards.
we invented weed.
Niggas said we invented
We invented shipping barrels. We invented white jeans. We invented marinas.
Yo,
We invented using tanks to contain retaining water.
Okay.
We have the prettiest women.
Uh,
We have the most feisty women. All right.
You got that.
Unmatched. We are unbeaten when it comes to winning fights on trains. Jamaican women own that. All right. So don't you ever in your life talk down on the country.
You know what? Jamaica's coming for that title, nigga. Shout out to my man with the slap her around the world. We smacked the Sonic rings out that bitch. Yeah. Eternal. That's World Star Hall of Fame shit.
That's World Star Hall of Fame. But listen, that's a regular day on the 5 train, dog. It's a regular day. My aunt Patrice just smacked some light-skinned girl and then went to Beth Israel, did her nursing duties like nothing.
Didn't even break a nail.
Still had on her I Love Jesus scarf.
Shout out to the Puerto Rican bitches with the wild OD long nails. Is
that all of them?
But like the crazy, like hold your iPhone up to your index finger that long.
I don't have. You know
what I'm saying? But most normal people do that. That's why I said that.
Well, actually, most normal people will be upgrading to the now about to drop Samsung Galaxy 7.
Yo, listen, send him one.
Listen, send me one. It has an SD card. SD card slot is back.
Listen, yo, you know what? Yeah, shout out to that.
It's also waterproof.
Shout out to the 8,000 page manual that you're gonna have to read to learn how to use it.
Actually, Samsungs don't come with manuals. That's why they're garbage. You can't figure out how to do anything with them.
You gotta like fucking find clues on the internet.
Yo, that shit's the worst. This shit is like, it's like Dora the Explorer's backpack.
You gotta like watch the Google art. August 23rd contains a clue. Then you gotta wait and then go to a special website and then sign up. It's like fucking buying a pair of Yeezys.
It's true.
It's crazy.
Bodega Boys back in the building.
Oh shit.
Your man Mero's over here snacking on Stacy's pita chips, so you hear him crunching.
Shout out to them.
Very professional.
Simply naked, nothing but sea salt. You know what I'm saying?
So your man Mitt Romney got dirt on Donald Trump.
Is he coming back? Is he jumping back in the ring?
I don't know. What if Romney is like?
Yo, fuck that nigga.
What if Mitt Romney is here to save America?
Yo, we gotta go to mad Republican shit and just run up on the stage and be like, yo, fuck y'all niggas.
Go. No, if we went
and
to
just say that and then walk off stage.
If we went to a Trump rally, we'd get killed.
Yeah?
Yeah, definitely.
You think so?
Definitely.
Well, we go out like niggas go out.
We go out like we take some motherfuckers with us.
I'm coming with the cow.
Well, listen, but all those Trump supporters got guns.
I'm saying we get in a shootout.
We get in a shootout.
It's lit.
It's gonna be like the end.
I told you.
It's gonna be an end of state property, like in the courtroom scene.
Exactly.
All right,
yo, I'm telling you. I told you. I want to go out very peacefully in my sleep or in a blaze of glory in a shootout.
In a blaze of glory.
You know what I'm saying? Not get shot in the wig though. That's crazy. I don't want I want to bleed out and like look into everybody's eyes and be like, yo, Jesus, my nigga. When you take my son to the Gucci store.
The pain.
When you take my son to the Gucci store. Damn. Show him the loafs.
We're gonna have a moment of silence for you at the Scammers Bowl.
Exactly.
Jack's gonna be like, yo, be safe, beloved.
Yo, beloved. You know what I'm saying? Niggas gonna do he's a pastor and shit with the whole robe and shit, all that.
Karen Civil just singing fucking Crossroads to you.
See you at the crossroads, cause I owe you money. Cause I owe you money.
And I'm gonna scam everybody. And I'm gonna scam everybody. And I'm gonna scam.
Oh, yo.
Oh, man. Allegedly. Listen, we're not with the slander.
Not pointing any fingers.
No one's saying anyone did anything.
Pointing fingers. I'm just
we're just saying money was here. Now money's not here. You know.
That's it.
Hey, listen. Who am I?
Listen. Who am I to fuck tradition up?
Listen. I am not the prophet. I am not the guy to judge.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh man.
Just sitting here eating these pita chips, drinking this chilled water.
We've covered everything on the run of the show, and we covered nothing. Who cares? You guys want art? This is what you get. Your art is literally me talking to Mero for an hour.
That's right.
This is what we do all day.
Remember that stupid Ghostface quote that's always floating around the internet? Like, yo, that shit is art, and you don't know what that nigga's talking about, blah, blah, blah.
Right.
That.
This is art. Shout out to everyone that gets this.
You know what I'm saying?
Apologies to everyone from Minnesota. Apparently, we've gone hard on Minnesota.
It just sounds funny, though.
It sounds funny, right?
Minnesota. It just sounds funny.
It sounds like the middle, because in my head,
I'm drinking a little soda. I'm drinking like a little baby Coca-Cola.
A mini soda. Yeah. It's the middle of America. So when we say that, this is with me.
Isn't it literally the middle of America?
I don't know. The middle.
What's the literal middle of America?
Harlem.
Can I do an Apple commercial right now? Ask Siri?
Yeah, ask Siri.
Let's see.
Watch.
You want to do okay Google Siri battle, nigga? Let's do it.
Go ahead.
What is the literal middle of America?
On it. Here's what I found on the web for the literal middle of America.
Man, fuck you, Siri.
All right. Now let's check what Google has on deck as we got paid $50,000 for this phone commercial. Google, what is the middle of America?
According to Kansas Travel, Tourism and Restaurants, the geographic center of the United States is located about 2 miles northwest of Lebanon, Kansas. Take U.S. Highway 200.
Bow! 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 All right? We out here. Bang, bang. Go my green bubble gang. Stand up. Stand up right now. Point an iPhone user face and go, how you like that? You like that? You like that?
Or my iPhone users stand up and be like, yo, y'all emojis is fucking trash.
Oh, that hurt.
That's right.
That hurt. Yo, shout out to all my Apple users who have upgraded their emojis to the diversity pack. And so when D-Ray mentions them in a tweet, they can't tweet back the black fist.
That's my hidden, that's my hidden shame.
Exposed.
That's my hidden shame.
Exposed. You were gonna answer back to Ray with a white fist.
Yo, I was so shook.
Who are you?
Yo, and you know what's crazy? I
They
was
would
like,
have
yo.
voted you. Listen, you're barely in Black Lives Matter, by the way. All right, we'll get you the fuck out of there. All right, your membership's still pending.
Damn.
And you owe dues.
You can't bar me. The big homie put me down himself, dog.
No.
I know all the codes. I know all the codes.
Nah, the big homie kick you out of Black Lives Matter. You ain't BLM. You ain't BLM. Nah. What you doing for Black Lives Matter? What's the last thing you did for Black Lives Matter?
Yo, I saw this white lady was gonna cut in line, and I was like, excuse me, this lady was actually in line ahead of you, ma'am. And then the lady, like she went, you know what I'm saying? And the white lady had to fall back.
Nice. All right.
You know what I'm saying?
I guess.
That was like a month ago.
I hugged crystals. Good for life.
That's really, that's like fucking, what's the shit that the Jewish niggas go to and kiss the wall? Is it like a special wall?
Why wouldn't you say the Muslim version? More people know that. Why would you just say Mecca? Why would you say about going to Mecca?
I don't want to seem insensitive.
No, you know what? I'm feeling the show. Like someone mentioned it to me on the Stormfront message board. This storm is very Jew-centric.
It's a Stormfront. Shout out to all the niggas that are Stormfront, like, seriously. Like,
yeah, they are.
Not fucking around.
Shout out to everyone that really hates black people is on chimpout.com. All right?
Wow.
Like, if you have to go out your way,
Chimpout?
and every time they, instead of saying black people, they say chimps, or they say monkey or something. So, yeah. Shout out to sponsor Chimp Out. Because those people are like, yo, these chimpanzees, these monkeys. There was like, listen, if a white person ever calls you a monkey in your real life, like you can't get mad. You can't like. Ideally, they want you to hit them, and you just gotta be like, "Yo, what are you doing? Whose man's is this?
You want me to hit you?
Whose man's is this?
You want me to hit you?
If you come to unless I'm playing soccer, and then you make monkey noises, then I'm gonna lose my shit.
I'm gonna fuck you up.
All right, I don't know why I'm playing soccer in the first place, but don't throw no bananas at me though.
I will.
If you throw a banana at me, I will say thank you. This is potassium.
I appreciate that. Thank you for helping me.
Put it in a smoothie.
I appreciate
Call
you.
a Taxstone for a kale recipe. Should be lit.
Some ginger, beloved.
That's strawberries.
Yo, shout out to Tax. Yo, Tax needs his own special juice. I told him, I was like, yo, you need your own special juice, like at a juice bar.
Yeah.
What would be our special thing? Like, what would it even be?
A chopped cheese smoothie.
That sounds disgusting.
With extra onions. Yo, I can see little fourth graders in the Bronx start their day just sucking out a chopped cheese smoothie.
Ew.
Just waddle beast.
With a bag of Takis.
Wash it down with maltas. Oh.
Shout out to you little dirty Spanish niggas drinking maltas.
Yo, shout out my last apartment, which was a fifth floor walk up, no elevator. My God. And my neighbor,
wow.
she had to be like in the 5th grade, and every day after work, before her parents get home, she would buy 5 chicken wings and eat them in front of the building.
Okay. To energize her for the walk up?
Nah, she was just kind of chubby.
Okay.
And I was just like, yo, I don't think her parents knew she was eating every day 5 wings.
Damn.
Every day.
5 wings. That sounds like a fad diet. I'm on the 5-wing diet.
No.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
But she was
I'm on a
eating
5-wing diet cleanse.
That's
I only drink lemon juice and eat 5 wings at 6 p.m.
No, like that's from Gwyneth Paltrow's blog.
From Goop. Shout out to Gwyneth. Yo, niggas gotta stop letting Gwyneth Paltrow name things. Bitch, name her kid Apple. You know what I'm saying? Website is called Goop.
Her name's Gwyneth.
Her name's that's true.
Gwyneth and Gwyneth and Gwyneth. Gwyneth is like, as soon as you name your kid Gwyneth, your kid is like 70 years old. That's like an old name.
Absolutely.
That's like
she needs
old...
to do a drop for that DJ nigga, that Gwyneth nigga.
Gwyneth and Gwyneth.
Hey, this is Gwyneth Paltrow, and you're Gwynning with this DJ nigga.
Gwyneth be saying the N-words.
Hell yeah.
She be saying, because Jay-Z and Beyonce
probably
not
like,
checking
yo,
her.
Gwyneth, say that shit. yo, big, check it.
She's still with the guy from...
Nigga.
Is she still with the guy from Coldplay, right, Chris Martin?
They had a conscious uncoupling.
Oh,
That's what they called it.
Is that what we're calling it now?
That's exactly what they called it.
Conscious
My wife will
uncoupling.
punch. Dog, if my wife hears her choach mentioned one more time on the show, she's going to kill me. And then she's going to be like, yo, let's consciously uncouple, by which she means she's going to stab me in the neck.
I love that.
Yeah.
Because right now is uncuffing season.
Oh, man.
Think about it. Christmas is done.
Yes,
Valentine's Day is done.
Yeah.
Yo, shout out to everyone.
It's supposed to be quiet for you.
Shout out to everyone that
bitches.
stayed in the Valentine's Day relationship and you got what you want. You got your Michael's Core Watch. You got your Beyonce tickets.
You got your little Talenti gelato.
You know what I'm saying? You got everything you wanted. You got your little picture for the Instagram.
Yeah.
You got your picture with Bae. You know what I'm saying?
Your own separate Netflix
You know
little
what I'm
sub
saying?
account.
Your girl let you hit Raw for the one time. And now, what? What's the
Now
next significant holiday in a relationship?
Now.
Maybe July 4th, Labor Day?
What?
Maybe?
Nigga, no.
No,
July 4th
nothing.
is not for going anywhere with your girl.
Yeah.
July 4th is for being a wild thought.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like, and being out there in these
So,
streets.
like, the next real holiday is it's Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
So right now,
Tell
listen,
you.
there's no reason. Well,
No
maybe
reason.
if you're like Bae got like a birthday coming up. or
No
some
reason to
shit,
be
but
booed up unless you got children.
Listen.
Maybe not even then. You know what I'm saying?
listen, go home. This is shout out to Shorty that listened to our episode of Bodega Boys and hit us in the DM and was like, yo, this inspired me to break up with my boyfriend.
Shout out to you.
Shout out to her. So when you go home after listening to this, you look your bae right in the eye and you give him a firm handshake and say, you know what? We've had a good run.
Yeah.
And you just slowly pack up your stuff and leave. And she's going to be like, why? And you'll be like, Bodega Boys, do the
Beat it.
job. That's what you say. As you're like right before as you're walking out the house, you'll look back and you go, do the drop.
Then you play the drop on YouTube, but before it's mad anticlimactic because you click the link and it plays a pre-roll ad. And you're like, yo, hold up. After
The
this
new
camera-
Honda Explorer gets
Yo,
35 miles per hour.
Just
on
wait
the-
30 seconds. Just wait 30 seconds.
But yeah, break up with people, you know? I'm saying now is a perfect time. If you have feelings for other people at your job, you know, leave your family.
I like
Explore.
to watch people break up because it makes my relationship look mad more successful.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying? By comparison. You know what I mean?
Because then you can put your hands on your hips like, oh, well,
Look at them.
It's not for everybody.
Look at them. Yo, it's so crazy.
You have to want it.
It's so crazy because I'm not going to name names. You know what I'm saying? But
He's talking about me.
no.
I hope not.
I seen somebody that me and my wife are very close to have a partner, and I knew the shit was sus from the beginning.
Yeah.
And I was like, these niggas are gonna break. They're gonna.
These niggas ain't coming together.
They're not gonna.
break up.
Exactly. Straight 50 Cent. Hey, motherfuckers ain't gonna break up. Hey, fuck out here, nigga.
Ain't gonna make Thanksgiving for
Fuck out here, nigga. That's how mad people talk about other people's relationships.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
50 Cent, like mad condescendingly. Like,
That's
"Hey,
always fun
nigga."
when you're in a relationship, talk about other people's relationship. Woo, that's the number one hobby.
How long you been together? 6 months.
But see, like I guess you have done the ultimate leveling up in relationships. So everyone, you look down on everybody. Like, yo.
Yeah, fuck
like you basically been playing relationship Skyrim for like 400 hours.
I'm maxed out. I
Yeah.
can't even get no more mana or whatever. You know what I'm saying? My
ridiculous.
armor's maxed out.
Take an arrow to the knee,
All
fight a
that.
dragon.
Chill. You know what I'm saying? I could like fucking do shit like, you know what I'm saying? Leroy Jenkins. You know what I'm saying? All that.
So yeah,
I don't know how that ties in. Hey, we're out here.
You should write. You and your wife should write a book about relationships.
Yo, that'd be lit.
No one wants that.
Her entire shit would be like, yo, try not to marry a jerk. You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
You know what I mean?
hey.
Because I'm a good guy.
Are you a good guy?
I'm a good guy.
Are you a good guy?
I'm a right guy.
Would you marry you?
No, because I'm mad lazy.
Yeah.
And
See,
like
that's the
lazy
thing.
and
You're
lazy
very
don't
honest.
mix.
You're very honest with your flaws.
Yeah.
You said you're infantile.
Look,
you're lazy.
very
These are
self-aware.
all very true.
Very self-aware.
And,
I like to concentrate on other shit. Be like, people are like, yo, you're mad funny. So I'm just like, yo, you know what? I'm just gonna concentrate on that instead of like stupid shit like laundry.
Yeah. And
You know what I'm
like
saying?
picking your dirty boxes off.
Yeah.
The ground.
Why? I do Kobe. It's funny. I'm like, yo, I ball up my boxer briefs because I wear boxer briefs because you got to keep your joint in place.
Right.
Your balls hanging all over the place. It's not popping. You know what I'm saying? So boxer briefs, take them off, ball them up. Kobe, hamper. If I miss, you know what I'm saying? I miss.
All right.
I don't gotta stress myself out. Walk all the way around the bed because I got king size bed now.
Oh.
Walk all the way around, pick them up and put them in the hamper. Nah, fam.
Oh.
Why would I do that?
A day in the life of Kid Mero.
You know what I'm saying?
What? Listen.
Just radio shit.
That reality show is coming.
Can't wait.
That reality show.
I
is
got.
coming.
You know what's crazy? Niggas got offered a reality show mad long ago. Victor's probably gonna tell me to shut up in like 2 seconds, so I am. But yo, niggas got offered a reality show a
I
long time
remember that
ago,
story.
and Heather was like, "Fuck no,
Yeah. Well.
fuck no."
There's no, I mean, like, somebody yesterday was like, you and your sister should have a reality show. Shout out my sister, it's her birthday.
Shout out, hey,
Shout out, it's her
happy birthday,
Happy
beep.
birthday. Beep. Yes. My older sister, my Irish twin.
Yep.
She flamed y'all niggas on Instagram. She was like, fuck the art, I am the art.
Yo.
So,
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
know what I'm saying?
Yo,
Shout out to
also,
We're gonna have a little reality show.
Shout out to that relationship, dog. That brother sister Irish twin relationship is a very special bond. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my sister as well.
Yeah,
you know what I'm
she's
saying?
cool. She's alright.
She's like,
She's alright. She's like, you know what? She doesn't appreciate that her brother's Desus.
my sister doesn't either, dog.
Yeah, listen,
I tell her shit
like
and
there are
she's
people who
she'll
will
try to
kill to
slay.
be in her position.
Oh, yeah.
and she's just like, yeah, this guy.
What can you get me some free shit?
Yeah.
That's my sister. Yo, I like that Peralta shit. Get me one of those hoodies.
Yeah,
I'm like,
see, my sister already has like famous friends and shit, so
Right.
she doesn't have to like be like dick riding like that.
Right.
But she, she's a little bit of a hater.
my sister don't even dick ride. It's just like fucking. She's like, I'll say some shit and I'm like, yo, I did this.
And she don't care.
And she's like, okay, nigga, who
Whatever,
cares?
whatever.
Like, I don't even have that channel.
She's like, yeah, well, you know. Oh, MTV too.
Is that shit on YouTube, nigga? I don't care.
I don't care.
It's on Netflix. I don't want it.
Oh. Do we talk about it? Scammers Ball?
Shut the Netflix. Just start naming mad random executives. Yo, shout out to Eric Alexanderstein.
Gonna get your Kanye on? Just start threatening?
Yo,
random
shout out
people?
to fucking. Yo, you know what? Fucking Levi Guillotine. You fucking idiot. Watch the art and enjoy it, you coward. You never been relevant.
I love that about Kanye. He'll name someone specifically, someone you have to Google, but he's very clear when he says their name.
Yep.
And he says the first and
First
last
and
name.
last.
So it's very easy to
Spelled
Google.
correctly.
And you can Google it.
Yep.
And that's what more people need.
Yeah.
I don't like he's the
To
reverse.
this day, niggas don't know who Hedy Slimane is. For real.
But you know what? It's been like that
Come
for
on.
a minute.
Come on. You need to just Google it. He's been saying his name for 20 years. You niggas know. It's not a car.
It's not a car.
It's not a car. It's not a watch.
It sounds like an entree.
I know it does.
Sounds delicious.
Just Google it.
Yeah, well,
You know what I'm saying? Niggas is wildin'.
shout out to Kanye. Kanye, come on the show.
Told you, man.
Has anyone we ever invited on the show actually come on the show?
No.
Damn.
No.
Porzingis? No.
Nope.
J-Lo?
Invitation's still open for J-Lo.
Yeah.
Shout out to Shades of Blue.
Is that show good?
It's pretty
Yes,
good.
that show is great.
Yo,
That show is great.
Yo, Ray Liotta getting a BJ out of nowhere. I don't even care if I'm spoiling it for you niggas. That shit was hilarious. That shit was fucking hilarious.
Is that what that happened on the show?
Yeah.
He's getting a
Yo, it's because he's Ray Liotta. He's like, J-Lo, listen to me. There's a rat in our crew. There's a rat in our fucking crew, and I'm gonna find out who it is, and I'm gonna drink 1800 tequila. And then like he's just being mad Ray Liotta, and then out of nowhere he's at a bar. Like, you know how the cop shows, very cookie cutter.
Yeah.
They always end up at like the cop bar.
Yeah.
So they're at the cop bar.
Uh-huh.
You know what I'm saying? Like, although I will say the show's cookie cutter, dialogue is dope. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to J-Lo. So they end up at the cop bar being cops and doing coppy shit, and these niggas playing pool, right?
Yeah.
So he's like, blah, 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 playing pool. There's a dude hanging around, just looking at him. They make eye contact once. He's like, man, Ray Liotta, 1800 tequila, man. You know what I'm saying? Then he keeps playing pool. And the nigga looks at him again. Pow! Cut to the alley. Niggas getting head in the whip and crashing it.
Wow.
Like straight up in the alley getting toppy man. Nigga like out there next to the dumpster like slurp, slurp, slurp. Yeah. Straight Abercrombie top. Nigga like pow,
man.
pow. Like I
That's
was like,
a lot.
yo,
That's a lot.
it was a very lot.
Damn,
I
we're
was
gonna
like,
have to-
damn, this nigga's a Goodfellas.
Dude, when we bring back New York Undercover, one of us gonna have to
Get that same sex toppy?
Yeah. Damn.
You can have that.
Nah, I'm good.
You can have that.
I'm good.
I don't want it like
This is
listen,
it's up to Dick Wolf.
yeah, it is. We
It's up
gotta
to
roll
Dick
the dice.
Wolf.
We gotta flip a coin.
When Dick Wolf calls us,
Yeah.
hint, hint, nudge, nudge, or
Yeah,
sends a
yeah.
package to 220 West 18th Street,
Uh-huh.
you know what I'm saying, with our contract drawn up.
Yep.
Yeah, one of our
Kara Victor Lopez.
I think it would be more. It would be better if your character was getting the male sloppy toppy because you're a married family guy. You know, my character, you can't have that for me.
I don't know, because you know what it is. Let's say like let's build it out. Let's say, you know what I'm saying, like that's the thing. Boom, you're single guys, loose cannon. I'm
Yeah,
married guy, whatever.
yeah.
They're building that. They're writing it in such a way where you're gonna sympathize with the family and the kids and this and that, and you don't.
But they're
wanna rock
showing
the
you
boat on that.
conflicted.
You know
They're
what I'm
like, yo, Mero loves his family, but Mero also loves the sweet mouth of another man. Like, you know what I'm saying? We just want to make it, you know, we want to make your
Yo,
character complex.
Why can't I fuck Drea Di Matteo, nigga? You know what I'm saying? Why I gotta get a blowjob from fucking Ving Rhames? You know what I'm saying?
Listen.
Why can't I smash
You want
Demi Lovato?
You want an Emmy or nah? All right?
Niggas will give you the Emmy
Then
for the
you
male
will get an
topic.
Emmy for
You
that.
get the,
All right?
and that's a shortcut to the Emmys, the
That's
same
a
sex
shortcut.
toppy. Ray's taking it.
He's getting it.
Best male toppy.
Listen. Is that a new category? All right, well,
Best male toppy.
that's real happy. It's just
That's
everyone's
it.
just looking very intently waiting
Like,
for
wait.
Stevie Wonder opens the envelope.
Yeah.
Stevie Wonder isn't blind, by the way.
No, he's not.
He's not.
Yeah, we're Stevie Wonder truthers.
Jesus Fuego in the building.
Hot take.
Stevie Wonder is not blind.
That's right.
The man-made songs are the key of life. That is a beautiful song. He has
Ribbon
to be
in the Sky. What do you even know what that looks
don't know
like?
what a ribbon is.
What is a ribbon? What is it? The sky? Nigga, you don't even know what that is.
If he really couldn't see, wouldn't the name of that song be like, "There's a flapping thing over there"?
I hear a noise.
Okay.
I hear a something.
You're not.
I hear a flutter.
You're not there.
Yeah.
I mean, shout to you. Mm-hmm. You made it work for yourself, and you know why I respect you? Not because you're a musician, Stevie Wonder, because you are a master scammer.
A messy bitch that lives for drama.
All right? Keep scamming, Stevie Wonder.
Keep scamming, my nigga.
Stevie Wonder. Who's
Straight
the
up.
best scammers in the world?
Stevie Wonder on a hoverboard, far and away.
Stevie Wonder, Skechers for selling women the sneaker with the heel in the back, and be like,
and relaxed fit shoes for
you
wash niggas.
You don't gotta work out. Just walking, you lose weight. And Kim Kardashian for endorsing them.
Yep.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
You know what I'm saying? So you niggas ain't low.
You're not low.
Niggas ain't low.
Not
The scamming is like a web of deceit.
It is.
Niggas
That
like
is.
Kim, Skechers, all them niggas.
Everybody's scamming.
Rob Kardashian somehow's in there. Man. You know what I mean? All of them niggas. I'm doing that web with my hands.
Everybody's scamming.
Come on.
Can't trust people nowadays,
man.
Everything's a scam. You would think Uber is cool. Uber is terrible. Did you know if you have a wheelchair, Uber doesn't have any wheelchair cars?
While there's an Uber CEO and it's like in his helicopter bathtub. While the guy's already got wheels, so what does he care?
My God,
that's what he's saying.
That's what he's saying.
A piece of shit. He's a bajillionaire.
You know what? I felt like a piece of shit because they run the ad on Bronx 12, which we watched to make sure we haven't been shot, and they were just like the guy in the wheelchair. He was like, "Yeah, I could take the subway. I could take the I don't know what's the other. I could take a cab.
Yeah."
You know what I'm saying? I can't take an Uber. Like the Uber.
How long does it take to hail a fucking handicap cab, though, my nigga? How long you gotta be there? I'll stand outside right now. Where are we? 7th and 18th. I'll stand on 7th right now for 45 minutes. I guarantee I'll see maybe one, like one of the minivan joints.
But at least that's one.
Oh yeah, that's true. It's better than none.
It's like what you were saying about a seizure-free life. You don't think about these things.
Oh, true.
Yeah. So, shout out to all my wheelchair users out there.
Niggas.
You know what I'm saying? I hope Uber gets their shit together. In the meantime, in between time, I'ma still use it for y'all. Mm-hmm. So I'm looking out for y'all.
Shout out to you.
I don't rock with Lyft. I don't feel comfortable with the pink mustache.
Okay.
All right.
That's a little weird.
Masculinity so frail.
True.
Hashtag. Take down Melissa Harris Perry, and you can use that as an example.
I mean, that should be like $2 a ride, so I'm with it. I'm with the pink mustache, but like it's just a corny logo.
Yeah.
Has nothing to do with like, because you know we're not homophobic.
We should open something called.
We're progressive.
Do you notice we have not said pause this whole episode?
We haven't. That's true.
Because we're growing. Because God's working on us.
But also we kind of spoke about.
We're going to replace it with something even more offensive.
Yeah. I can't wait.
We'll be like tissue. He's not going to know what that means.
They're not even going to know what it means. So we'll be over here like.
Yo, tissue, my nigga.
Yeah. Do the Max B laugh like. Yo, but yeah, shout out to Tissue. Mm-hmm. Damn, you just did a Mero. What were we talking about before that?
Uber.
Yeah,
I didn't do a Mero.
And
you did a Mero. All right, I have the bookmark right here. I know what the fuck we're talking about. Just because you get lost doesn't mean we all get lost.
Yo, but think about life as a mall. When do you have the most fun at the mall? When you get lost, and you end up at the Gucci store.
Look at the mall. What? I don't like your references.
When I die, bury me inside the Gucci store.
Your references, man. We're just gonna sit down one day. We're gonna workshop some new references.
Hell yeah.
Because your stuff, man.
I love it. I love the Gucci store. Have you ever been in the Gucci store?
No.
Never?
No. Because I've never had money like that, but also like now if I even have money close to that, I'm not gonna waste it on a $900 belt.
No, that's ridiculous.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah, that's absolutely asinine. You know what's lit though? When rich people die and they have like yard sales or like, yo, shout out to this dude. What kind
of life do you live?
Listen to this. I did this. I was like, niggas work odd jobs when they're unemployed and shit. I did a mold removal thing with my homeboy.
Right.
And we went up to this place in Westchester, some dude's crib.
Right.
And I knew this nigga was rich because as soon as we pulled up, in this dude's yard, he had one of them bikes with the fucking giant wheel and the little wheel.
Penny farthing.
The penny farthing. Your man had a real penny farthing in his front yard. I was like, this nigga's rich.
There's like 10 people listening to this in Brooklyn right now who just looked over in the corner and they have one in like their apartment. They're like, that's not that impressive.
It's not that impressive. I have this
and
I have this 10 gear and I have the fucking speed gear and I have the fucking Poland gear.
They got the Supreme penny farthing.
Yeah, like
just coming up Madison like
fucking worms.
So later, fuck boys.
Fuck you, fuck boys with 2 C's and an I.
Rage 4 pens once.
Yo, so I do the mold removal in this dude's crib, and his whole thing is like, yo, I want everything that's in my basement closets just gone. Like, I want to just get it out of here. I go down there, and it's all like vintage, Burberry. Yeah, man, this nigga so rich he had a Louis Vuitton monogrammed tennis racket cover set.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? And I took that. I don't know why. I don't have tennis rackets, but I took it inside my crib right now.
Really?
Yeah, I still got it. Everything else I got rid of, I still got the monogram tennis racket covers. I don't know why. I feel like I'm gonna need them. I feel like they're good luck. In the future, I'm gonna feel like I feel like I'm going to need a Louis Vuitton tennis racket cover for when Serena's doing like private lessons with me. You know what I'm saying? In Malibu and shit. I'm gonna need it. You know what I'm saying? Because niggas can't step out with the whack. What is that shit? Head? I'm not coming out with that lame shit. Fuck that. Reebok? No, nigga. I gotta come out with the Louis tennis racket.
Dog, the fact that you could just name 3 tennis racket manufacturers,
Yeah.
I'm sitting here.
I'm researching, my nigga. Listen,
You out there.
We are on a trajectory, fam.
Listen,
I need you to
gotta
get
catch
with
up
it.
with you.
We gotta get with it.
Yo, give me
I'll
this
send
month's
you some
episode of
links.
Rob Report because I gotta
send you
get
some
caught
links.
up. I don't even have my yacht picked out.
I'll put you on the newsletter.
Damn.
Yo, come on, fam.
Damn.
You know what I'm saying? Niggas out here. So you gotta be ready.
I thought Cuban Link was doing it.
No. You thought Jordans and the gold chain was living it up? No.
Oh,
we gotta get think
get
beyond.
fancy out
yeah.
there. Like.
You know what I'm saying? New York, LA, Chicago.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Damn, I'm not ready for that. I'm not ready to be famous like that.
Really?
What if I just bow out? I'm just like, I can't do this.
I can't do this. What's the name of that fucking clown cake nigga that got drafted like 7th in the draft, went mad high in the draft, and played in the NBA, got a wild deal, and it was just like, I have anxiety, I can't play.
Who?
It doesn't even matter what his name is.
It doesn't matter.
But you know who he is.
But
you know what I'm saying? He's a
to
clown
be fair,
cake.
anxiety is very real.
Anxiety is very real because I know all about it.
You know all about it. You know about the anxiety and sciatica.
Yeah.
All right. I have anxiety and Zika.
Man. Yeah.
You know, shit's not cool.
Shit's not cool.
But someone said anxiety is like walking around. It's like when you're going up the steps and you miss a step, that feeling, and now you just go through the whole day with that feeling. Yeah.
Dog, I had a very bad stretch where I would like throw up every morning. Yeah. Because I was so anxious about.
Like Willie Beeman?
Yeah. Yep. Anytime something big was about to happen, anything.
I used to grind my teeth at night.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
Like I'd wake up and it'd like I'd been sucking on a Sandman's dick. Just
Oh!
the worst. That's the worst.
Sleep with one eye open.
Oh, is Mariano pitching?
Shout out to Mariano.
But yes, your mental health is very important. Go,
Yeah, definitely.
go get therapy.
Go get therapy. You know what? Therapy's ill because you can just go talk to a complete stranger. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because you can't tell.
You can't tell people in your life everything because they get a little judgy.
You know what I mean?
You know what I'm saying?
So go tell a weird stranger that.
But make sure they're on your level and you don't have to explain shit to them.
Yeah.
Because you can't go there and be like, you were 212 and with Donovan with the big 4-5. And she's
make
like,
sure you're not.
slow down. What is 212ing?
Whoa, what is?
Donovan, what is the big 4-5?
Okay, so I got a bunch of numbers here. Help me figure this out. So what are we solving for X?
Nothing's better than going to therapy. Nothing's better than going to therapy. Like you're crying, you're having a wild breakthrough, and they're like, well, that's all the time for today.
That's all the time for today.
And you're like, yo, what the dog?
You know what's crazy? Maybe I should go to therapy. I've never been to therapy.
We should do a couples therapy together. We're basically a couple at this point. I'm sorry. Listen, let's keep it 100. I have my complaints.
What was that fucking awful movie with Adam Sandler where he married? What's the fat nigga? Kevin James. Adam Sandler married Kevin James to get health benefits or some stupid shit like that.
That was homophobic and transphobic and everything.
Yo, that was terrible.
Yeah, wait till we remake that.
Yeah. I can't wait to remake the BT version.
And we're both Scientologists.
Yeah.
Oh man, shit is gonna be like you people gonna enjoy that direct to DVD movie as it shows on your Southwest flight.
Fuck the options, nigga. This is what you're watching.
All right, D. Ray Davis is our surgeon.
Hey, we call this game "Cut the Dick."
Oh shit. Nah, but yeah, keep your mental health
popping. Keep it intact. You know
also, keep scamming.
Keep scammers.
Scammers.
Yeah, you messy bitches.
Lives for drama. Shout out to Joanne the Scammer.
You know what I'm saying?
The originator of that. Because you know, if you don't get put on, if Joanne the Scammer should be on Ellen.
True.
All right, if fucking Damn Daniel could be on it,
true.
Then you know.
Let's go back to Damn Daniel for a second because your man's. A lot of people were saying that was like a plant and whatever. To be honest, when we watched it, if you watch it once, it's not funny. If you watch just him say it once, damn Daniel, it's not funny. The compilation of the shit is what makes it funny. Yeah. And then damn Daniel, at it again with the white vans. Yeah. And that weird fucking Eastern European. Shout out to the god Ezra Koenig, you know what I'm saying? Because I thought it sounded like him doing a cartoon voice. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
If you listen to it. Also, shout out to the dude that said it sounded like Beast Boy from Teen Titans.
Teen Titans.
Yeah.
Shout out to Adult Swim and Nickelodeon because listen, Teen Titans will run 50 episodes on a Saturday.
Shout out to Adult Swim.
Not that you're watching that because you should be watching MTV too because if they're not showing Martin, there's a chance they might be showing something with us.
That's right. Maybe. If you're lucky, I don't know.
Maybe.
And you don't live in Canada?
Or somewhere where it's banned by the IP. Or
London?
Whatever, you find it.
Hope you're not in Europe.
I bet Philippe could see it.
I'm going to bring this up again. I'm going to bring this up until we get it. The fucking Gumball 5000 shit where we go in a race car. Me and you go in a fancy car.
Remember, we were trying to set that up. It was going to be the Black Podcast.
We'll call you. We got to individually get cars. We each got to get a car.
No, we're going to be in one car together because it's going to be me and you.
Right.
Then there's the Brilliant Idiots one, another round, Combat Jack.
True.
All that. We're doing that. It's
True.
Wacky Races.
Oh, yes.
We're doing Black Podcast Wacky Races. We're bringing that back. Someone draw up a poster of that. Just all the podcasts and we're racing. Mm-hmm. Should be lit.
Shout out to us for outsourcing all the hard shit.
Yeah, nobody's trying to do all that work, man.
You know what I mean?
Listen, I'm about to have a chick. I'm about to have a dude to fuck chicks for me. Like, hi, this is Kyle, my stunt cock. He'll be at your house at 8. Shit's like your stunt cock is arriving, like an Uber. I'm like, sorry, babe, I gotta go to the studio, but he'll give you a proper rogering.
He'll give you an immaculate shagging.
And Colin, it's her birthday, you know. So point it to the left.
Nigga pulls up with a man bun.
And he's like, yeah.
She's like, yeah, I'm a fucking nigga with a man bun, dog.
Desus sent me. Desus sent me to fuck you.
It's like Uber, but for dick.
Hey!
You know what I'm saying? Pause. Had to throw it in there at the last second.
You ruined it. You ruined it. Well, we don't get $1 million deal now because you say pause, and someone who really likes us is like, that's problematic. And also, why was he eating food during the podcast?
I'm used to disappointments.
You are.
About to go on the wild rant about babe. Nah.
Just sad. Look at this.
Yo, shout out to everybody that fucks with us.
Shout out to Rebel.
I'm saying.
Shout out to K2. Shout out to Narcan. Shout out to all our listeners. Shout out to Chad. Shout out to Minnesota. Shout out to Africa, Jamaica, DR, New York,
Shout
Palo Alto.
Shout out to all my niggas in DR dancing right now to some dembo shit with chancletas on, like da 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 da.
All right, okay.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to all my niggas.
Okay.
Ha ha ha. We out here hit the hookah, nigga. We in the whole house later. It's lit.
All right.
Hitting raw, nigga. Rolling dice.
Okay. This has been a very special episode.
Shout out to niggas that go to.
All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right.
Shit,
okay.
raw. You
all right.
are wildin'.
My God.
You
This has
are
been a very
wildin'.
special episode of Bodega Boys. We're just gonna call this Mero is flying.
Niggas are wildin'.
This is a 90% Mero episode. So if you are not big on Mero,
fuck you.
All right.
And you're an idiot.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? You have awful taste.
This is like the Family Guy episodes that are about Meg.
Yo.
Flamed ya. Flamed ya, nigga.
I don't even watch Family Guy.
How do you smoke weed and not watch Family Guy? What?
I didn't watch.
What?
I watched like one season of Family Guy when it first came out. I was like, wow. And then I thought the same shit that South Park thought with the wow. This is just literally like a joke and a joke and a joke and a joke and a joke, and it's cool when you're high.
Yeah.
I tried to watch this sober, and I was like, this shit. Don't flame me because I don't watch. I'm not saying I don't like Family Guy. I'm just saying I don't watch Family Guy.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? But shout out to Family Guy.
Okay.
Shout out to Seth MacFarlane. I had no idea that Seth MacFarlane was out here singing jazz standards and shit. What's up with that nigga? Can we talk about him?
No.
I don't know.
No,
What the fuck?
listen. My God, I was trying to end the show.
Oh, yeah?
Like 5 minutes ago.
I'm giving you the long length.
Pause.
Sam!
Damn it!
Got it!
Oh.
I'm bringing you back to the dark side, nigga. Come with me. I'm dragging you down to my level.
Trying to be a better person. And
No!
Hello from the other side. Yo, it's your boy, Desus Nice, a.k.a. Young
Right.
Chipotle, a.k.a. 1994, a.k.a. Kistap Puss Thing Dick.
Oop. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Mero, a.k.a. Curve Got It, a.k.a. Donovan McNabb, a.k.a. I eat your bitch like a sweet pita chips.
All right, and don't forget, Billy Joel could still fuck Mero's wife.
No!
We out.
She said no.
She said no?
She was like, fuck no, are you kidding me? Billy Joel looks like a fucking ill.
Really?
Ill. She said this as she was eating a Chobani flip. Shout out to Chobani for sending me a crate of Chobani flips.
Aww.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Shout out to Black Love.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
Even though she's white.
But still Black Love.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? Black Lives Matter.
We out.
Peace.